Justiagnina, Laimbaga Bigat. Una-una, I'd like to greet, of course, lahat po ng mga officials na nandito. We have Mayor Jeffrey Sagid, Mayor Carly Abadilla, to our two mayors, good morning po. And of course, to our vice mayors as well. We have Vice Mayor Erjo Valenzuela and Vice Mayor Bob Sacro, Vice Mayor Edwin Salazar, and we also have our SB members, we also have Vice Mayor Wilson Bulilit from Karasi, and of course all of the government officials who are here. I'd also like to greet our Iron Man, Jason Ramil Sid, and we have from the educational sectors, we have Dr. Martina Aguiliana, Dr. Editha Mabanag, and Mr. Robert Barangan. And of course, all of the school heads, teachers, coaches, players, students, very good morning to all of you. Kawawa naman kayo na nandun sa heat. But I'll make this short and sweet siguro to expedite our program. Una-una, I'd like to congratulate everyone who played a part in hosting, organizing, planning, and executing this event. And to the players, of course, I wish you good luck and to play hard and do your best. But of course, at the end of the day, remember to respect your opponent, and kahit manalo o matalo, we shake the hand of our opponent at the end of the day, and we respect them, and we respect the game, and we respect the officials. So also, of course, I'd like to remind everyone that even though we compete hard, ultimately we remember that we're all Ilocano, and we enjoy the fruits of our beloved province, and we're all Kailian at the end of the day. And I'd also like to make mention of our sports scholarship. Ito po ang isa sa mga unang programa ko na nakita ko sa mga scholarships po natin ay walang sports scholarship. So, as siguro some of you may know, that the province of Ilocos Norte has its own sports scholarship. So I'm sure ilan sa mga students dito ay scholars, and I encourage even the parents and the guardians to inspire our kids to aim to become sports scholars, because we know that our athletes, our student athletes, also sacrifice so much for our province and for their schools and for their families. So sana we have more future sports scholars here this morning. And I'd like to encourage everyone to continue to play sports, continue to improve, and continue at the national level, because after all, what we seek is not just hometown or regional glory, but also national glory, as we've seen with Jason. And of course, we also have my friend and my client, Ed Takiwag, from Dingras, of course, who has made it to the PBA. I'm sure there are many future champions here today, and sana tuloy-tuloy po ang paglaro nyo ng sports, and I'm sure many benefits will come from this. So good morning po sa inyong lahat. Congratulations once again to all of the organizers. Good luck. I wish you all the best, and let us remember to respect our opponents, respect the game, respect the officials, and enjoy the game at the end of the day. Good morning, good luck. Just Tiagdina. Salamat po.